Hello friends, welcome to my channel Olympiad Mathematics class. We shall quickly go through our last exercises, and the first one is 10th root of 9 and the 9th root of 8. Which one is greater? Now, solution to question 1. Since we have 10th root of 9, we can just simplify it as 9 raised to power 1 over 10. Then 9th root of 8 can be simplified as 8 raised to power 1 over 9. Now if we multiply both powers by 90, then we have 9 raised to power 1 over 10 multiplied by 90, the dot there means multiplication, and 8 raised to power 1 over 9 multiplied by 90 again. For the sake of those that are just joining us, the dot there means multiplication as well. So 10 in 90 is 9. So we have 9 raised to power 9, and 9 in 90 is 10. We have 8 raised to power 10. Now the next thing we have here is since we have 9 raised to power 9 and 8 raised to power 10, we can just simplify 8 raised to power 10 as 8 raised to power 9 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1 in form of exponential indices. So we have 9 raised to power 9 and 8 raised to power 9 times 8 raised to power 1. So since we are trying to know which one is bigger out of the two, we can actually put the first values there over the second one, so that we have 9 raised to power 9 over 8 raised to power 9 times 1 over 8. we put that one 1 over 8 because 8 raised to power 9 times 8 raised to power 1 are together. So if you want to put it as denominator, we can just put 1 on top of that 8 to make it 1 over 8. So since we are putting it as denominator of 9 raised to power 9. So what we have now is, since we have 9 raised to power 9 and 8 raised to power 9 having the 9 as common powers, or we can factor as in power 9. So we have 9 over 8 all raised to power 9, then multiply by 1 over 8. So then we can now simplify 9 over 8 as 1 plus 1 over 8. If you add 1 plus 1 over 8, that is 1 over 1 plus 1 over 8, it will give us 9 over 8. What we're trying to do is to have the 1 over 8 that we have at the right side also inside the bracket. So we have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 8 will still give us 9 over 8. So we replace 9 over 8 with 1 over 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 9, then multiply by 1 over 8. So since we have 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 9, if we simplify it using the law of indices, we have 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 8 times 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 1. That 8, the power 8 and the power 1 is the 8 plus 1, which equals to power 9. Then the base, we take 1 using the rule of indices, then we add the 8 plus 1, 9. So to give us that 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 9 back. But we are trying to simplify so that we can easily be able to solve this particular question. So we have 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 8 multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 1, then multiply by the last 1 over 8. So according to the limit function, so we have, if n is tending to infinity, and we have 1 plus 1 over n raised to power n, it is equal to e, which is equal to 2.718281284599045, and that is less than or equal to 3. So since we have 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 8, the 8 there represent the head here, so we can also say it's also less than or equal to 3 according to the limit function here. So it's also less than or equal to 3. Now we have 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 8 multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 1 multiplied by 1 over 8. Now since we have said 1 plus 1 over 8 raised to power 8 is less than or equal to 3 according to that limit function, we take that one as 3, then multiply by, if you solve 1 plus 1 over 8, which will give us 9 over 8, then times the last 1 over 8. So we have 3 over 1. 3 over 1 is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 9 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 8. Then if we multiply the numerators, we have 3 times 9 times 1, that's 27. Then denominators, 1 times 8 times 8, that's 64. So we have 27 over 64, which means 10th root of 9 is taking the value of 27, and 9th root of 8 is taking the value of 64, which means 10th root of 9 is less than 9th root of 8. That means 9th root of 8 is greater than 10th root of 9. Now for question number 2, we have square root of x plus square root of minus x equals 4. We have to find the value of x. Now square root of x plus square root of minus x equals 4. If we square both sides, then we have open bracket square root of x plus square root of minus s close bracket square equals 4 squared. Then if we expand square root of x plus square root of minus x squared, that is in two places, we have square root of x plus square root of minus x multiplied by square root of x plus square root of minus x, then equals 16. 4 squared is 16. So what we have now is if we take the first square root of x there, we multiply it by the square root of x plus square root of minus x. Then we take the square root of minus x, multiply it also by square root of x plus square root of minus x equals 16. What we are going to have is x minus x minus x minus x equals 16. So we have x minus x, that is 0. Then minus x will give us minus 2x equals 16. So if we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 2, we have minus 2x over minus 2 equals 16 over minus 2, and that gives us x equals minus 8. Our exercises are as follows. We have x, number 1, x over 2 equals square root of 1 over x. Find x. Number 2, simplify 100 over raised to power 10 minus 1000 raised to power 5. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to share the videos with your friends, and then click the subscription notification like button. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you once again.